everybody. Good evening. So I'm going to go over how to do this question. So what is the equation in standard form of the line that passes through points 6 and -1 and is parallel to a line represented here? So the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to solve for y. So I'm going to have this here. I'm going to have 8x. Hold on. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Sorry about this, guys. So there's like more space for me to write so you can see without any distractions. All right, so I'm going to solve for y first. So this is going to be 8x plus 3y equals 15. So I'm going to subtract 8x from both sides. That will cancel this out, and then I'll be left with 3y equals 15 minus 8x. Then I'm going to divide each term by 3, and that will leave me with y equals 5 minus 8 over 3x. So now this tells me what my slope is. My slope is going to be 8 over 3. That is going to be my m. So now I'm going to plug this in my point slope formula. And point slope formula looks like this. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Then we're going to plug in the given information. So we know our slope is negative 8 over 3. So we're going to plug that in for m. So I have negative 8 over 3. Okay? And then on the sides, I'm going to plug in my x1 and my y1. Okay? We're going to have x minus my x1 is going to be 6. Okay? Because that's my first x. Then my y1 is going to be negative 1. So we're going to have 6 here. Yay! Equals y minus negative 1. Okay? So this would be y plus 1 equals, this would be negative 8 over 3x. And then we're going to do negative 8 over 3 times 6. Now, if you did this in your calculator, you would get, hold on, you would get, sorry, it's late and I don't feel like thinking that hard. Negative 16. Positive 16. Just kidding. Positive 16 because it's a negative times a negative. All right. That's what calculators are for. Now, I'm going to do this a bit differently. What I like to do off the back is I like to get rid of all the fractions if I can. Okay, so when I'm doing this and I'm trying to get it back into this form, I want to get rid of all the fractions because I don't see any fractions in my answer choice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply everything by the denominator here so that I will have no longer any fractions. Okay, so we're going to multiply 3 by each term inside this parentheses. Bam. So this will be 3y plus 3. This will turn into equals negative 8x. And then 3 times 16. I don't feel like thinking, so I'm going to grab my calculator. 3 times 16 is 48. Plus 48. Now I need to know I need to move x to this side, and I'm going to need to move the 3 to this side. So I'm going to add 8x to both sides. Let me do this back in pink. Plus 8x plus 8x. So now I'm going to draw a line. I'll cancel out my 8x's, and then I'll have 8x plus 3y plus 3 equals 48. Now we just got to get rid of the 3. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. Oh my goodness, lots of steps, guys. And then we're going to be left with 8x plus 3y equals 45. Now you just have to figure out which one of these will be our answer. Good luck.